Hello everybody and welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we're going to be bringing you another ATV adventure that's a little bit different than what we would normally bring you. Why is it different? Well, it's because we are not in New Brunswick today. We are in Cox and Hole on the island of Roatan in Honduras, and we've sailed here aboard Celebrity Apex. So today our ATV adventure will be taking you on a rum and rum cake factory tour, chocolate factory tour, and then we're going to hang out with some monkeys and sloths and have a little bit of beach time. We booked the tour through Roatan 5 stars, and we've been looking forward to this one for quite a while. So hang on, stay tuned, and enjoy the ride. Welcoming party. Okay, we've made it to our first stop of the tour. First half of our tour is by car, so the ATV portion will come a little bit later. So we had our first stop, which is the chocolate factory, where we got a demonstration of some chocolate and what the benefits and whatnot are of the chocolate. And of course, they have chocolate for sale. And so we've got a box of bars that of 18 bars of all different types of chocolate, light, dark, milk, and white, with different flavorings added, and we'll be looking forward to enjoying those on the ship. Well, we've arrived at our second spot, which is the rum cake factory. It's a little bit windy out here on the point, but it does keep it nice and cool today. What an absolutely beautiful spot, and Crystal's just inside buying some rum. We've tasted a few different types, and yes, we're still sober, and it looks like we're going to be bringing home some salted caramel rum. There's the dark chocolate rum we've sampled, which is wonderful. We also sampled this tropical mango, which was great. Very, very easy to drink. And here's what we're bringing home. The salted caramel. They do not export here, so this is the only place in the world that you can buy these flavored rums from this rum company. And absolutely wonderful. Okay, we've made it to the last part of our land portion by car, and we are at the animal park. We're going to meet some sloths and monkeys and parrots and all kinds of good stuff. Crystal's been waiting quite a while for this one. She's been waiting a very, very long time to pet and cuddle some sloths, so here we go.
So right here what we have is that we have a triple sloth. His name is Dash. We also have Charlie. Sorry. This is Charlie, that's Flash. If you want to hold the sloth, the correct position be 2 hands underneath their butt. As we can see, they have a line on their backs. That's their birth mother they use to track the females when they're ready to mate. If you have any germs or bacteria, for example, hand sanitizer on your hand, and you touch the spot at the back, you could either pass away or get sick really bad. So that's why we just hold them underneath their butt. If you want to pet them, you can pet them all the way around their body, just not on the spot, okay? You ready?
Yes, I am.
Take your time, let me talk. So, right here, sloths can live up to 35 to 40 years, and they go to the bathroom once a week. Metabolism is too slow.
Yeah, Pablo. Everyone is.
I'm just gonna take them home.
So guys,
We're getting to hold a sloth.
Bucket list. Sorry. Snuggly. Did I get it? Okay. How do I stop?
You can use white face monkeys, you can use them.
We've just wrapped up our tour of the monkey and sloth and bird sanctuary, and we got to cuddle some sloths and some monkeys. They were jumping all over us, and that was absolutely fantastic. Definitely, if you're in the area, it's a must-do. You really can't describe it. Okay, we've arrived at the ATV portion of our tour. A couple of bikes ready for us to go. We're going to go through some jungle and see some local scenery and see what the locals see.
Guys, the ATVs are very simple. The ATVs are semi-automatic. Left hand, back brakes. Right hand, front brakes. Hand where your thumb, you're giving gas, okay? Here you go, what is your gear? Okay, all the way from front is forward. In the middle is neutral. All the way back is reverse. But when you guys want to turn around, the guys will help you guys turn around. What you guys can do is give your cell phone to the guide. You guys will do few stop. The guy will be taking photos and video with you guys on ATV, so you guys can have them as a memories.
Okay.
We don't charge no one for photos, and no, we don't do that. We take photos with our phones. Also, we take them with a guest phone, so they can have them as a memory. A lot of ATV business they charge you guys for the photos, but we don't do that. You know, you guys book with us, so we just do it freely. So the guys work for tip. If you guys feel that they did a great job, you guys will tip on the end of the tour. The tour lasts for 1 hour, 1 hour and a half. It's all depend how fast you guys start moving. You guys will be like a jungle tour. You guys are gonna see how the local people live. You will ride around the little village, and also you guys will see a little bit from the jungle. But in the jungle, we don't have any wild animals. A lot of people ask me about lions, jaguars, and stuff, but nah. You probably will see like a dog, iguanas, cats, normal basic animals. So guys, you guys ready?
Yep.
Jonathan will take care of you guys on the ATVs, okay? Remember, left hand back brakes, right hand front brakes, where your tongue to give it gas, okay? This here is not a signal light. You guys don't worry about nothing here. It's a kill switch. So you guys, about here, don't worry about nothing here, okay? Guys got it?
Got it.
Yeah, he's better than me.
Ready?
And here we go. Go. And we're off. And another group from another tour is just passing us by. And my machine likes to stall a little bit, so we'll see how this goes. And I only have one set of brakes working, so that's how we ended up rear-ending Crystal on the first run. Residential area right now, and the roads are pretty much dirt streets, but pretty cool. I did change machines, so now I have one that doesn't stall on me anymore, and now we've got a pretty good sized hill. Hopefully it hauls my ass up here. Give it all I got, Captain. I can't give it no more. It appears as if ATV tours are fairly popular in Roatan. We're seeing some groups around, and away we go again. Not happy in the front end of this machine, but it's doing it. Well, we're still going. Seems to be going up in some hills here somewhere. And it looks like we're coming up on some sort of scenic lookout, perhaps. Oh, there's our ship. And we've stalled. And we're still going. On the sketchiest machine ever. Oh, and we've stalled again. Okay, we made it back on the ATVs. Crystal didn't crash. I rear-ended her a couple times, but maybe shouldn't have been taking video while I was driving, but anyhow, that was really fun. And hats off to 5-Star Roatan Tours for taking us around. It was great. Okay, we're back on the ship, and we're going to wrap things up now. We hope you liked our tour through Roatan, Honduras, and in the town of Cox and Hole. Got to do some monkeys and sloths and ATV riding. And if you do like the content you saw today, please like and share. And then don't forget to hit the subscribe button to see more ATV content, and leave a comment of some other things that you might like to see on the channel. And until the next time, have a great day.